Hi guys, Lens here, and if you have a charging problem with your iPad, I am going to show you how you can fix this issue. You can fix this issue by using the correct charger. As you can see, I am using a aftermarket charger, so you can try using the original charger for your iPad. That is one. Two, you will need to clean out your charging port, so you can use a brush so you can clean out the port from any dust or any debris that might be clogged up in your port. So those are common things that you can check with your iPad. Also, just bear in mind that you can perform a reset, and you can do this by holding down the home button here and the power button at the top to solve this issue. So as you can see here, we just rebooted the device, and if the problem still happening, if the problem is happening, you can restore your device to factory settings. Sometimes it can be a hardware issue with your port, and sometimes it can also be a software issue, sort of a software issue. So you can also perform a factory reset to resolve such issue. And as you can see, I'm about to set up the tablet properly. So it is indeed a software issue. I will be hooking this up to show you that it is charging. So that's how you can solve your charging issue with your iPad. And let me go on, plug this up, show you guys that it is working. I have this cable at the moment, but I'll rather using the original cable, but this is what I have, so this is what I am going to use to charge this device. So you will need to distinguish what is the problem with your iPad, if it is a software issue or a hardware issue. So you will need to do different sort of things to find out what you can do really. If this is connecting to your computer and it is not charging, then your port is good. So it appears that your problem there is a software issue. You will need to restore your device to factory settings to solve this issue. So I currently have the charger in. I am going to turn on the switch. You can see that the device is now charging there. Yeah, so we are good to go. As I said, it can be a software issue, and to solve that issue you'll need to perform a factory reset. So guys, I just showed you in the video how you can fix that issue with your iPad not charging. It is either a hardware issue or a software issue, in which you can now go ahead and resolve these issues. So guys, I am out. My name is Lens, and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos.